Cash book is a book in which all cash and bank transactions are recorded. Means we record all type of flow of cash, that is inflow and outflow of cash. Inflow of cash means, yes, inflow of cash means, yes, please repeat. Yes, receiving of cash. And outflow, payment through cash. Right? Inflow means incoming of cash. We receive cash or check in against any transaction. Outflow means outgoing of cash. Means payment against any transaction in cash or by check. We have two types of cash book. First is single column cash book, and second one double column cash book. Single column cash book, in this book, single column cash book, only cash transactions will be there, and the double column cash book, cash and bank transactions will be there. In double column cash book, we will increase amount column. In first book, single column, we have one amount column only for cash. No doubt it will be both sides, debit and credit side. And in double column cash book, we have two amount columns in debit side as well as in credit side. One column for cash and other one column for bank. Let me start with single column cash book. Simple format is there, just like ledger. First column is date, then particulars, cash amount. Next column, again repeated columns, date, particulars and cash amount. And we all know the left side of that account is debit side and right side of the account is credit side. This is the simple format of cash book. Now what we have to do, we need to record all incomes in debit column and all expenses in credit column, right? Just write all incomes, says to sales, to commission received, to says Mohan, cash received from Mohan, or expenses side by salaries, by purchases, or by sham, by rent, by interest, anything can be there. or we can purchase any fixed asset also by computers. Suppose I purchase one computer, or I sold one old machinery. In that case, we'll write to machinery, right? So we'll record all incomes in debit column and all expenses in credit column. But the important condition is all transactions must be there in which column, which format? Chronological manner. Means date wise, sequence wise, right? And after recording all transactions, our very last step, what we have to do on the last date of that month? Yes, what will you do? If you are preparing any ledger, balance carried down. No, carried down. On the last date, we will find balance carried down. After that, we'll write total of the account, and next day of the month, we will write same balance carried down as balance brought down, just like ledger.